Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be revamping an old wig. I'm going to be taking it from this orange color into this pink color. I know it looks red, but it's actually pink. I don't know what's going on with this lighting, but if this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, here's a look at the color we're starting off with. I've already separated the lace part from the wefts. Right here, I'm just showing you the colors I used. I used Iroiro in pink and Manic in hot pink, and I just mixed what was remaining from my color dye that I did a mannequin on. I'll leave a link for that particular video in the description down below. So right here, I'm just starting off with applying the color. I was testing to see if it was dark enough, or the shade was dark enough, and which I'm going to have to go in with a third color because it turns out it wasn't. I still saw orange. So we're just going to see me apply this color and how I apply it to the hair. So maybe you can use this particular colors that I'm using here if you want to try this at home. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you a disposable mascara wand, and I'm going to use that to try to apply to the lace at the very top. Right here I'm just combing the color through. I think I'm realizing that the color hasn't got enough depth because, like I said, I still see orange in the color, which isn't really bad, but yeah. Okay, so this is where that mascara wand comes into place. And what I'm going to do is just apply to the roots because I didn't want it to become, I didn't want to stain my lace, which, I mean, it does happen from time to time. You're going to see me do that in this video, but it's not going to be quite as bad. So we're just going to take a look at that right here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just brushing the color through, making sure everything is nice and coated, because this hair is pretty thick and I think it's double wefted, so it's pretty difficult to get that color throughout the entire head. So what I'm going to do up next is use my Framesi Bold and Orchid. This is the only thing I had in stock at the moment. I mixed it with my conditioner and I'm applying it to the hair because, like I said, I don't feel like the color is deep enough. While the color was processing, I can still see the orangeness of the color, which isn't bad, I guess, if you want a nice unique finish. But I'm just going in and I'm applying my my Orchid, which I feel like it has a little bit more depth to it, to this particular hair, and we're going to see what the results look like at the end. Okay, so just letting you know, I shampooed and conditioned and rinsed the hair with cold water, everything with cold water. And I did this to minimize bleeding and color fading, plus I didn't want it to stain my lace. And then I decided to style the hair with air drying, and I did a roller set. I'm going to have a few pictures here so you can take a look at what my set looked like. Just set it on some rollers because I didn't want to use any heat, because the hair is already pretty damaged, because I did like a soap cap on the hair, which I didn't show you in this video, but just to kind of strip the color. I just wanted something new, you know. So this is what that's looking like right here. Okay, so here's the completed look. I wasn't too happy with the results. I used a hairspray that was from the dollar store without actually having had tried it before, but it was too wet. So my curl pattern had been, especially in the front and on the side, I don't know if you can see on the right hand side where it's kind of weird, and in the back. So I'm gonna be trying a different look in another video. It looks red, but it really isn't. It's red, it's coral, it's red violet, it's violet red, all kind of colors. I liked it a lot, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.